Hey students, again welcome back to my channel Ag City. So today in this video we are going to discuss about April month IELTS test prediction, that is 24th April 2021 real IELTS test prediction. I'm getting so many requests to update this video. So as you know, IDP and British Council is going to conduct their exams all around, and we have academic and general module test on the same date. So here you can see the complete list of test dates on April 2021, starting with 10th April with academic and gender module, and we already updated the prediction for that test date. And also the next will be on 17th April 2021 with academic only test date in some centers, and in others they have both academic and gender module. So we updated the prediction for that test date to you, and the third set will be going to take place on 24th April 2021 that we are going to see now with academic and gender module. So let's start out with our video now. So as usual, we are going to see listening module first for both academic and gender module. So in part 1, as you know, the part 1 and 2 will be related to social topic. In part 1, you will hear a telephonic conversation, and this time you will get fill-up type of question as usual. That will be in the form of one word or a number. So you can use one word or a number all togetherly, one word and a number. So try to read out the instruction carefully. And this part will be easy one. Part 2 with the short MCQs and selection of letters. That means you will get options and you want to select any two or three from that. So this part will be an easy one. In part 3, you will get large MCQs along with match the information. Options will be given in a box, so you want to cross it. So this part moderate level, and in part 4 you can expect fill up type of question by hearing a monologue, that is academic lecture. So that will be one word only fill up in the form of a not completion. So this part also will be an easy one. So give more concentration towards part 3. Try to utilize the time in between. You will get half a minute to read out your question and half a minute to check out your answers. So in between you will get 1 minute of time. So try to read questions on that time. Okay, don't waste your time. So your audio will be little bit fast in part 3 and 4. So while practicing itself, try to adjust the background speed. You have the options in YouTube videos and all like that. So try to do that. Overall, your listening section will be easy to moderate. That's completely based on your capability. If you're practicing well means it will be easy. Now we will see regarding the reading module of academic first. You will get 3 long passages. You know that. In passage 1, you can expect the questions in the form of true, false, not given. So don't write yes, no, not given instead of true, false, not given and all. And try to write completely. Not write A, T, F, N, G and all. Okay. Along with that, you can expect fill-up type of question that will be in the form of a one-word only summary. Then along with that, you can expect match the information type of question to you. They will give the options in their box and you want to cross it. So this passage 1 will be in moderate level. Moving on to passage 2, you will get MCQs with the 4 options and fill-up type of question that will be up to 2 words, and selection of letters. That means from 6 options you want to select any 2. This passage will be easy comparatively with the other 2 passages. Then in passage 3, you can expect match the information type of question that will be in the form of which paragraph contain these information. You will get a list of information and you want to select which paragraph. Your passage will be divided into A, B, C, D like that. So you can select the letters. Then along with that, you can expect yes, no, not given type of question and also fill up type of question again. That will be in the form of one word only sentence completion. So this passage also will be in moderate level. So try to complete your easy passage as soon as possible. That means within 50 minutes. Then you will get 5 minutes extra for the difficult passages. So time management is very much important in case of reading. So try to go through all the Cambridge textbooks 1 to 15. Then after that you can use other materials too, like Makar, Collins, and so many other materials are available in the market, and official guide also you can use from Cambridge for candidates. So try to go through all the materials. So overall we can set it as in moderate level only. Okay, so try to practice more and more and more. Now we will see regarding the reading for gender module. So in section 1, you know that you will get two short passages. So this time there is a chance to get true, false, not given type of question. Along with that, you can expect fill up type, that will be in the form of short, not up to 2 words. So overall, the section 1 will be an easy one. Moving on to section 2, again you will get two short passages. This time you can expect short answer questions. That means the direct question, you need to answer no more than 3 words or a number. Okay, then along with that, you can expect match the information type of question, that will be in the form of which paragraph contain these information. You will get the information and you want to select which paragraph contain those information. So section 2 will be in moderate level. Moving on to the last section, you will get a long passage. This time there is a chance to get multiple choice question. So you need to select a, B, C, D. You will get 4 options and you want to select one. Along with that, you can expect selection of letters. That means from 5 to 6 option, you need to select any two. And also fill up type of question. That will be in the form of one word only summary completion. So this part 3 also will be in moderate level. So overall, we can set it as moderate level only or easy to moderate. So as I told you before, it's completely based on your capability. If you are practicing well, means it will be easy for you. So try to do at least one set of reading daily. Try to go through all the module in a daily basis if you booked for your test mains. So overall, we can set it as in moderate level only. Now we will see regarding the writing module for academic first. So in task 1, you will get an infographic structure and you want to write a report within 20 minutes in 150 words minimum. So this time there is a chance to get a table, bar chart, line chart, or the combination of any two, and also you can expect map. That will be in the form of diachronic map, same place at a different time. Then in case of task 1 of general module, you can expect a formal letter. So try to go through the vocabularies, the connectors, how to divide the body paragraph. That means based on the bulletin question only, you need to divide your body paragraph, how to open up the letter, how to end up the letter, about the ending phrases. Okay, you can't able to use any type of contractions or short forms in case of formal letter. And in task 2, first we'll see regarding the academic task 2. That means in case of essay, there is a chance to get a discussion with opinion type essay. That's the first preference. They will ask discuss both views and state your opinion, or discuss the advantage and disadvantage and state your opinion. Then the second category will be opinion type essay. That means opinion only. Throughout the essay, you want to maintain your opinion. They will ask you in the form of do you agree or disagree, or to what extent do you agree or disagree. Then the last but not least, direct question 2, you need to check out with the direct question. That means two-part question. You need to answer for both the part of the question. Okay, you can divide the body paragraph based on this part. First part will be the first body paragraph and second part in the second body paragraph. Now we will see regarding the general module essays. So you need to check out with two type of essays. One is opinion type essay and second one is discussion type essay. So opinion type essay, they will ask you in the form of do you agree or disagree, that is one-sided opinion essay, or to what extent, balanced opinion type essay. Then in case of discussion, they will ask you in the form of discuss both views, or outweigh type, or discuss the advantage and disadvantage. Okay, so try to go through the structure and be thorough with the structure. Now we'll see regarding the essay topics you want to prepare for both academic and gender module. First topic is art, related to art, galleries, museums, about the children and art, about the supporting the art system, the variety of arts, then about the theater, music and all. So any forms of art forms. The second one will be business, related to small scale business, family run business, about large companies, local communities, about employee salary packages, staff uniforms. Then success in measures by money, marketing technologies, about the advertising influence in business and all. Then the next topic is education, related to education, syllabus, exam assessment, wearing uniforms, school uniforms, about studying abroad, online platforms, that means online education programs, traditional classroom programs. Then about the education system should be free, or government want to sponsor this education system or not, like that. Then influence of parents in case of education. Then about the extracurricular activities related to that. Then next topic will be environment related to pollution, deforestation, resource depletion, about natural beauty sport, about declining of biodiversity, extinction of species, about the problems related to that means globally or domestically. What are the environmental issues and all? Then responsibility of people in case of environment protection. These type of questions you can expect. Then the next topic will be internet and computers, about the social media influence in our communication, about the communication barriers, whether the computers will replace the teachers or not, about the risk for children while they are using these online platforms and all, about the security system in online, about online shopping, uh, anything related to this media, TV, and also advertising. Then influence of advertisement in children, that means about the consumerism, materialistic nature. Then about the media, how this media will influence the famous people's privacy. Then about the children and their TV viewing hours, about the influence of TV in our culture. Okay, then related to society or social issues, like homelessness, importance of traditional lifestyle, about whether this traditional lifestyle is being lost or not. Then people moving from the rural to the urban areas, that means from the countryside to the city centered areas. Then the society's needs, about cultural diversity, happiness, the generation gap. Okay, then the next will be the sports and exercise related to international sports events, about the dangerous sports. Then government building sports facilities, about the watching sports on TV is a waste of time or not. Then youngsters or the children with the extracurricular activities or the influence of exercise, whether they want to do a daily base of exercise or not, like that. Then the next will be the technology, about the mobile phone, internet, laptops, about artificial intelligence, then the gap between the young and old. Then whether this technology increases the gap between the rich and the poor. Then about the what job opportunities in case of technology and all. Then the next will be the transportation related to public transportation, private transportation, traffic rules, about the congestion in cities. Then the last topic will be world issues, world overpopulation, aging issues, global warming, globalization, modernization, about the gap between the rich and the poor. Okay, so these all are the topics you want to be prepared. So try to collect some points under these topics, some opposing points and some supporting points, as I told you always. So all the very best for your test. Try to go through all the essay types and also topics which I mentioned in this video. So practice more and more. Try to utilize the time which you have. Go through all the modules in a daily basis. So if you like this video means, please give thumbs up and share with your friends who are planning to take their IELTS test, and comment below if you have any suggestions means about the next video and all. And don't forget to subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon nearby to get notifications. So thank you so much and God bless you all. Prepare well.